The creators of this neighborhood have done an incredible job at honoring the landscape and really working with it to create a natural flowing neighborhood, a little bit more traditional in design, that has an intent on connecting and creating close and intimate experiences both with nature and the multiple generations that we foresee using this community.
We want to provide you with parks and walkways and community areas so that you can get out and enjoy that, just sort of like the traditional European towns. We have some really neat designs for apartment complexes, individual unit cottages in a community that's designed and developed in a way that gives you privacy but also gives you the community that people look for.
It's for everybody, whether you're a retiree or you're a family that, that's got kids and you want to have a vacation home.
The Oregon Coast is a place, in our experience, where you could take your whole family, you can take the babies and the grandparents.
There's all kinds of outdoor activities, and it's a coastal mountain community.
There are really endless lifestyle opportunities in this premier neighborhood, and you really need to experience it for yourself to understand the importance and the magnitude that is Depoe Hills.